As an update in September 2021, the African elephant and the Asian elephant hold the title as the largest and strongest land animals in the world. In terms of size and mass, elephants are formidable creatures. They have a massive body structure and can weigh several tons, making them capable of exerting significant force. Additionally, they have strong trunks that can lift and manipulate heavy objects with ease. Elephants are indeed one of the largest and heaviest land animals on Earth. African elephants stand around 2.5 to 4 meters tall at the shoulder. The body length, excluding the trunk, is typically between 6 to 7.5 meters. Adult male African elephants can weigh between 2,268 to 6,350 kilograms. Female African elephants are generally smaller, weighing between 1,360 to 3,629 kilograms. Asian elephants are slightly smaller than their African counterparts, measuring around 2 to 3 meters tall at the shoulder. The body length of Asian elephants, excluding the trunk, ranges from 5 to 6.5 meters. Adult male Asian elephants typically weigh between 2,041 to 4,990 kilograms. Female Asian elephants usually weigh between 31,360 to 2,994 kilograms. The skin of African elephants is typically grayish, with some variations in color from light gray to dark gray or even brown. Their skin may appear wrinkled and rough, and it lacks hair except for a few bristly hairs on their tails. Asian elephants have a similar grayish skin tone, but it is often lighter in color compared to African elephants. They may also have pinkish patches on their trunks and ears. Both African and Asian elephants have large, bulky bodies supported by thick, sturdy legs. Their bodies are rounded and robust, well adapted to carry their massive weight. One of the most distinguishing features of elephants is their long, muscular trunk. This specialized organ serves multiple purposes, such as breathing, drinking, grasping objects, and communication. African elephants have much larger ears that resemble the shape of the African continent, whereas Asian elephants have smaller, rounded ears. Many male elephants and some female elephants of both species have tusks. These elongated, pointed teeth extend from the upper jaw and are used for various tasks, including digging, lifting objects, and defense. Elephants are highly social animals and use a variety of sounds to communicate with each other. This is the most well-known and recognizable sound made by elephants. It is a loud, trumpeting call that can carry over long distances. Elephants trumpet to express excitement, joy, distress, or to warn the herd of potential danger. Roaring is a deep, rumbling sound produced by male elephants during the mating season. It serves as a way to attract females and to establish dominance among other males. Elephants produce low-frequency rumbles that are often too low for the human ear to detect. These rumbles can travel through the ground and are used for long-distance communication between herds and family members. When elephants are agitated or feel threatened, they may emit a growling sound as a warning to potential threats. Elephants may snort when they are investigating something new or unfamiliar in their environment. This is a loud and prolonged vocalization that elephants may use to communicate with each other, especially in times of distress or when separated from their group. Grunting sounds are used by elephants during various social interactions, such as during play or when bonding with other elephants. Elephants may hiss as a sign of irritation or as a prelude to a more aggressive action, such as a charge. Elephants are highly intelligent and social animals with complex behaviors. Their behavior is influenced by their social structure, family bonds, environmental conditions, and individual personalities. Elephants live in tight-knit social groups called herds. In the case of African elephants, herds are usually led by the oldest and most experienced female, known as the matriarch. Asian elephants also form similar social structures. The matriarch plays a crucial role in decision-making and guiding the herd to resources such as water and food. In some regions, elephants may exhibit seasonal migrations in search of food and water. These movements can cover significant distances and are essential for their survival in certain ecosystems. Elephants, especially the young ones, engage in playful behavior. Play is crucial for their physical development and social bonding within the herd. Elephants have been observed displaying emotions like grief, mourning the loss of a member of their herd, and even showing empathy and compassion towards other elephants and other species. Elephants often bathe in water and then dust themselves with mud or sand afterward. This not only helps cool them down but also acts as a protective layer against insects and the sun. Grass is a staple food for elephants, particularly for the savanna-dwelling African elephants. They graze on different types of grasses, which provide essential nutrients and fiber. Leaves are a significant part of an elephant's diet. They consume leaves from a wide range of trees and shrubs. Some elephants are known to be selective feeders, favoring certain types of leaves over others. Elephants enjoy eating various fruits when they are in season. They may consume fruits like apples, bananas, berries, and other plant-based offerings, depending on their geographic location. Elephants use their powerful tusks and trunk to strip bark from trees, which they then consume. Bark can be an important food source during times when other vegetation is scarce. Elephants also dig up and consume roots, tubers, and bulbs from the ground. These underground parts of plants provide additional nutrients and energy. In regions where they have access to water bodies, elephants may also feed on aquatic plants and vegetation growing in marshes and wetlands. Female elephants reach sexual maturity around the age of 10 to 12 years, but they typically do not start breeding until they are in their early to mid-teens. Male elephants mature later, around their late teens to early 20s. Female elephants have an estrus cycle, also known as the heat cycle, which lasts about 4 to 6 weeks. During this period, the cow is receptive to mating and can conceive. However, unlike many other mammals, elephants do not have a predictable, regular estrus cycle. It can be irregular, and females may not enter estrus every year. When a female is in estrus, she may attract one or more male elephants for mating. Mating can be a noisy and sometimes aggressive affair. After successful mating, the female's gestation period lasts about 22 months, making it the longest gestation period of any land mammal. The mother usually gives birth in a safe and secluded location within the herd. The newborn calf is relatively large and can weigh around 90 kilograms at birth. The entire herd is typically involved in caring for the calf, and other female elephants, including the matriarch, play an important role in protecting and nurturing the young elephant. After giving birth, the cow has a period of postpartum amenorrhea, during which she does not ovulate or go into estrus. The interbirth interval, which is the time between two successive births, is usually between 4 to 6 years for elephants. Male elephants typically reach sexual maturity later than females. Once they are mature, they may engage in mating behavior, seeking out receptive females and competing with other males for mating opportunities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.